uh, Ninong Michael. So it started years when I was invited in his birthday in buffet near at the Santa Maria de la Estrada. Actually, we went there in the buffet, and I was invited by Ninong Michael. Oh, the time when I was in Batangas, I was with Ninong Michael. Oh, because Ninong Michael bought some everything goods for Nanay Banji. Oh, in Batangas. But Mommy Ellen, Olea gave me she toured us in a food trip in what is that, the Lomi in Batangas. Do you even know that Lomi in Batangas? I was told by Mommy Ellen. We are having a long time road trip in Batangas, and Mommy Ellen gave us Lomi. And I remember Mommy Ellen gave me um a biscuit. I respect Mommy Ellen because Mommy Ellen always say, "Oh, gusto mo ba ang biscuit?" Oh, I said, "Yes, I like to eat biscuit." But Mommy Ellen knows it. Because me, I just want to tell to Roylan Marlang, ibigyan kita ng ang biscuit galing kay Mommy Ellen Olea. I said that Mommy Ellen Olea, she always gave us a biscuit. And of course, the time we eat something in Batangas, and there was Ninong Michael, we have a boodle fight. Oh, boodle fight in Batangas. And mostly, we have lots of boodle fight in Batangas. It's not a fight in social media. It's a boodle fight. You can use your hands. Oh, it's a boodle fight. Me, I use boodle fight when my dad gave oyster, and I do a boodle fight. Oh, boodle fight anyway. Boodle fight. And during the birthday of Ate Michelle, I ate chicken inasal from Nanay Banji. It's quite delicious, and I use my hands. I said I use boodle fight as well. Probably I always do a boodle fight, right? It's always to be a boodle fight. As you know, all right. As we know, when I was in Batangas, I remember I said from Ninong Michael, during the time of Ate Hana and Kuya Mel, and there was Ate Isa as well, and Ate Mirasol, um, we went there in Tagaytay, and we ate some bulalo. Bulalo. I already ate bulalo. I said, napakasarap ang bulalo. Oh, it's the word. So I just went there. And mostly during the time when I was in Nanay Banji's house, I talked to Miggy Labitag. Did you learn how to bike? Did you learn how to use airsoft shooting? Do you learn about basketball? I asked Miggy Labitag, you must learn basketball. Oh, you have to learn about basketball also. Oh, you have to learn. But I am always good thing to Ninong Michael because I really miss Ninong Michael as well. He was in Netherlands. I asked Ninong Michael, how's my idol, Rodrigo Duterte? How is he? How's Tatay Digong? And he said to me, he's doing well because I really miss Rodrigo Duterte. I really miss his war on drugs in the Philippines. I really miss that the jokes of Rodrigo Duterte. I really miss it. Because me, I'm a loyalist of diehard Duterte supporter, and I'm not Marcos loyalist. This is what I say to Mommy Ellen, Oleya. I'm not a Marcos loyalist. I am a diehard Duterte supporter. Of course, Mommy Ellen is Marcos Jr. and Marcos Sr. Loyalist. I know she's very old. She has writing to have her own opinion. Oh, let's respect opinion. I always do that. It's just opinion. And mostly, when I was in Nanay Baji's house, I talked with Ate Ellen. How did you know Kuya M.A. or M.A. Chan Biray when you were in Nagoya, Japan? And she said to me, when I was there, it was lots of posts and it was tagged is Kuya Jojo. Oh, I've been there in Japan in Nagoya. We talk about Nagoya Japan trip. Oh, we don't talk about politics. Oh, we always talk about things, our motivations, and even we talk about things that we talk about. Or we always talk. But this time, I will upload this in my YouTube video. And I was asked by Jardino how long I study in CDIFI. It's long many years ago, Jared. I said it's many years ago I studied there, 2003 until 2020. It's so many years. Matagal na kasi yon, for a long time. Actually, I studied there in CDIFI 2003 when I left Caloocan Evangelical School. And 2003 and beginning from 2003 until 2020, I left the CDIFI. Oh. And I currently enrolling in Kumon in Osaka, Japan. I will enroll in Kumon. Oh. I will study there. Doon ako mag-aaral. Oh. I will study there in Kumon in Japan, in Osaka. I will study there. Jardino share a story. In 2004, I stayed there in Japan. No, you always know that when he was one. Me, I've been there in Japan. My dad works there in Japan, 1990s. Oh, my mom worked there in Japan, 1990s. That's what I share a story. Oh, I was not yet born. Kuya Jojo was worked there in Japan. I was not yet born in 1990s. I was born 1997. I know that. My dad experienced that. Even my mom experienced that. Before I was born in 1997. I said before, I just left the CDIFI 2003 until 2020. It's long many years. I just stopped studying. I thought my mom would offer me to go to job. I will work with Nanay Banji next year in Inasal. If Nanay Banji owns the business in the restaurant of Inasal near our house, of Nanay Banji, I will work with Nanay Banji. Just like I said before, magtatrabaho ako kay Nanay Banji. Hindi na ako mag-aaral. Bibigyan ako ng sweldo. I will work with Nanay Banji. My mom offered me to work in Uniqlo. I rejected. I said no. I will work with Nanay Banji in Inasal. Because I say to Nanay Banji is always friendly to the autism with ADHD or even PWD. She said to me, pwede ka na magtrabaho sa inasal. I just told her, yeah, okay, I want to find my own job so I can work with you, and I said pwede na ako magtrabaho so I can do whatever I want. Oh, from now on, I said if I wanted to, because Nanay Banji, she's very old, she's a breadwinner, she's older than Kuya Rodelio Daguman's mother, Nanay Banji. She is really a breadwinner, carrying her children. Oh, Ate Michelle, Kuya Jojo, even who else? Um, even the attorneys and I may mention about Bay Timbal. She is married to the Colombian who's foreigner. Even married, of course. Bay Timbal is married to a foreigner, a Colombian, named Alvaro Bello. Bay Timbal. Riz Timbal, the aunt of Matthew Timbal, is married to the American, and she has a son as well. But Matthew Timbal is still studying in college, but recently he's still studying. But I will work with Nanay Baji's house in the inasal. I said I will work with Nanay Banji. I said pagdating na panahon, like I said, pwede ka na magtrabaho, like she said to me. Just like that, Nanay Banji is making lots of jokes. I said she wants to work with me in inasal. I said to Nanay Banji, I accepted it. I accepted your offer.